Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to apply the Cybercity effects to your photos in CapCut. So this Cybercity effect is pretty new and it can only be used on a photo. So I'm only add a photo to my CapCut, and to do that you can just click on the photo and go to style. Here just swipe until you find the Cybercity option. Okay, this one. Just click on the Cybercity option and wait for it to apply to your photos. Okay, so now it's done and the photo now will look like this. You can always adjust the duration like this. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.